Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the charging problem of your device Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and M32 5G. So if you're facing slow charging issue in your device Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and M32 5G, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix slow charging issue.